In this video, we're going to see multiple ways to save your work while modeling on the reverse engineering side. I have this model here and I just modeled some surfaces on it, as you see, and I want to save it. So the first solution is, and that probably the best solution, if you're just gonna use on the Solidworks. So I'll go to this menu here and select proxy box. That is the fastest way to convert, and I'm gonna able to have my port like a box, and I can save it basically like a Solidworks file, and this is gonna be a very small file. And when I just open it again, I can go and edit, and I have my port, and I can continue working. So that's the first solution. And the second one is, I'm gonna go to Tools, Power Surfacing, Save, and save as Cyborg 3D. So the Cyborg 3D, I'm gonna keep your mesh as it's like that. So let's try. I'm gonna save as, and let's type anything, and I'm gonna save. So I saved this as M4. Let me now close this. Now I'm gonna go to my desktop and find my board, and here is it, M4, and I'm gonna snap it directly to the Solidworks. Okay, so you can see everything looks exactly like we left it. And I can keep working on my subdivision. Let me just try Stew, as you see. Okay, and we have the last solution, and it's save control mesh. So the control mesh here for the subdivision, and the reference mesh for the reference only. And we also have the subd mesh, so it's gonna save this as a subdivision surface as OBJ without the creases and this lines here. Let me just show you. If I save this like M7 and save it, let's make an OBJ file with a high quality surface. I'm gonna just close those and go to M7. Here we go. All the creased lines just removed, and also the mirror. So we can just use the mirror again when we just selecting any of this side, and we can accept it. So as you see, it still looks good and everything looks great, but without creasing, and you can't adjust it. So that's gonna save you a high quality surface, but you can't adjust it later. So as we said, the best solution is save it as a box mode if you're just gonna use it on the Solidworks, or if you're just gonna use the file later on the Solidworks. And the second best solution is save it as a Cyborg 3D. You can just change the title for precise NURBS and convert.